Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to change language on Shopee.com. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome and on the search URL, type in Shopee.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on this page. From here, first of all, select the country or region. So scroll down a bit and from all this given country, you have to select your country or region. After that, you will land on the official page of Shopee. And if necessary, log into your account. Here I have already logged into my account. Now, in order to change the language, from this interface, at the very top, you will get to see a menu bar with bunch of menus. And at the right hand side, just in front of your profile name, there you will get an option that says English. Hover your mouse over there. And on this dialog box, you will get all the available languages. So select the language that you would like to change. And as you can see, the language has been changed on Shopee. So that's how you can simply change language on Shopee.com. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.